Hey guys, this is the second phase of my first project, which was the wireless animatronic hand, which is now in the September issue of Popular Mechanics. This is the hand. This is printed in 3D by Jeremy, which he has a YouTube channel that has great tutorials with getting started with Arduino up to more advanced stuff. And I know I learned a lot, so I'm sure everybody else will too. Back here is the fiberglass outer shell. I designed it using a CAD program, and then I laid it out with paper, and I folded it and fiberglassed it. So now it's an easy way to prototype things without spending a lot of money at all. Back here are 6 standard hobby servos that act as the movement for the hand. Each one of them controls a finger, and then there's also one that controls this thumb movement. Back here I have an Arduino with an XB radio. All the 6 servos are hooked up to the Arduino as well as the XB. From there I'm still using the first glove I made. I'm actually in the process of making the newer, better one with more sensors and stuff on it. But right now I'm just using this to control the hand, just for testing purposes and demonstration, as you'll see in a little bit. So here are the items we're going to try and pick up today. Alright, so now I have the handle hooked up, just easier to hold with one hand as I am filming. So yeah, here we go. And I do have this glove on, so we'll see how this does. From here I am able to control it. And now let's try picking something up. So here we have the water bottle. So let's go ahead and give this a go. And here we have the soda can, so let's give this a go. Here we have a small can, so I'm going to go at it with a different angle this time and see how this does. And here we have the bike kit, which is probably one of the heaviest items of all of these. And so let's see how this does. No problem. Easily able to pick it up. So now here's the ball, the final item, and let's see how this does. And there we go. Easy as that. So here's the hand. I think it turned out really well. It works flawlessly actually. I couldn't change it up really any other way. And of course, I can shake hands with myself.